Hey guys!
Hi!
It is Push Through It Thursday, which means we're going to do something around health or fitness or food, which Katrina and I love.
We do.
Today I'm going to teach Katrina how to roll sushi.
I'm a sushi rolling virgin.
So one of the things that we like to promote at the company is to not only change the way women feel in clothing by providing you, our customers, with items of clothing that help you look and feel beautiful, but we like to also promote work-life balance, healthy eating, and one of the things we both love to eat is sushi. So we're going to teach you how to roll sushi. It's really simple. You can incorporate your kids in this and it's a lot of fun. So one of the most important ingredients in sushi is, what do you think, Cats?
Rice.
Yes! Yeah! The rice is the most important part of the sushi. So what we're gonna do is we've cooked 4 cups of rice. Cats, you're gonna cut the rice. We have some sushi vinegar, 1/2 cup, that we're gonna pour in. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt.
It's like a real cooking show.
It is. And 2 tablespoons of this Japanese sake. Do you know what sake is?
Like sake? Like we can drink it?
Yes.
Really?
But it's pronounced sake. Cats.
Oh, sorry.
Sake. It's like Kobe versus Kobe.
Tomato.
Right. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. I've actually never even had it. Do you think it's drinkable sake?
No, I don't.
I think we should try it.
Okay. Go for it.
Should we try it? I think we should both do a spoon. And let's do a shot of sake. We're gonna find out.
Well, it's rice wine. We like wine.
Let me see. What does it say?
Sure.
Okay, well, just do a little bit, okay? It's not a lot. It's a good thing it's in the afternoon.
Depends what it tastes like. If
Okay.
it's good, it's not a lot.
You
If
gotta
it's not
cut
good-
through the rice, so we're gonna chop it. So we're gonna go like this.
Oh.
Because we don't want to break the rice.
Was I breaking the rice before?
Yeah, so we're not gonna stir it or anything. We're gonna cut through it and flip. So we're gonna cut and flip. And while she's doing that, I'm just gonna fan the rice and keep it cool. I don't really have a fan.
Alright.
So my mother says by fanning it, it's making the rice glisten. And we want the rice to glisten. We want it to be happy.
I like some rice that glistens.
And I think we're ready to roll.
Alright.
So let's get this party started. We're gonna taste, I've never had this before, to be honest. Don't sniff it. You should never sniff alcohol before you consume it.
I show you what not to do.
Okay, we're gonna taste this. Just because we're gonna consume it in rice anyway, we have to do a taste test, right? It's more Q&A.
Okay. So it's good.
Okay, that was, it did taste like sake with some salt in it. So really it's just like a tequila shot with some salt.
Oh, it's salty. Oh, wow. Wow. It's not the same as what you drink.
No, I thought it was
It's not the same thing.
sake, but this is obviously cooking sake, so
That's not the same thing.
it's a good thing we're not doing tips on sake drinking. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is lay
I'm really excited.
the nori down. And for those of you who don't know, nori is seaweed. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay some of this rice onto the nori, like so. So you want to leave probably 1/3 of the nori empty. So when we roll it, it's gonna have a little bit of stick to it.
All right.
So I'm gonna use a little bit of hot water just to stick the nori together in the end. Some people like to use vinegar. Why make it complicated? I'm just gonna use some water. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dive into whatever ingredients you wanna add. We're making dynamite rolls, so we've got cucumbers, avocados, artificial crab meat, and we've got our battered shrimp and our masago fish roe that we're gonna add. Oh, and our sesame seeds.
Yeah.
Okay, and now just stuff your roll.
So now we're gonna roll this way, right? So we're gonna go lengthwise?
Yeah. We're gonna go lengthwise, so you wanna just add a bunch of stuff in here, whatever you wanna add. Just add it in like so. I love avocado.
Me too.
I'm just gonna cut pieces off. So this is a fun exercise you can do with your kids at home. It's like a make a pizza kind of night. We're gonna do ours roll-wise. I know traditionally in the sushi restaurants, the dynamite roll, the rice is on the outside, but we're gonna put the rice on the inside for these rolls. I'm just gonna dab a little water on here, just to, when we roll it, it's gonna seal it.
Good idea.
So this is the important part, cats. So we're gonna take the edge of the roller.
Okay.
You're gonna try and hold as much of the ingredients in with your fingers as you're rolling. And then you're gonna squeeze the roll.
So you just do one roll over?
You're gonna squeeze and roll as you roll. Squeeze and roll as you roll through it. Squeeze and roll. Squeeze that sucker. Squeeze
Uh-oh.
it. Oh no, just squeeze. Do it. Do it.
But look, the avocado is squishing out.
It's okay. This is your first roll. We're gonna see how this comes in.
And then,
yep, pull the roller out, and then just keep rolling and squeezing that puppy. Squeeze and roll. I'm squeezing really hard. Can you hear the juices coming out of that? I don't know if you guys can hear the juices, but there's some juice coming out of that.
This is a bit stressful.
Okay, now let's unravel.
Now what do? Go like this?
Yep.
Oh my god!
I have raised all my hands. Okay, now we're gonna cut this roll.
This is amazing. I killed it, guys. I killed it. I'm amazing.
That was amazing. Usually,
oh, I think I
use a bigger
squeezed
knife.
a little too hard.
Let's see your roll. I mean, you can't even tell. It's a good roll.
Right? Now we're just gonna...
Okay, now we're gonna cut. And what I like to do is I like to cut the ends a little thinner.
I just made this.
But I would say that is a fantastic roll.
For my first roll. Come on.
Hi guys, we're back.
Hi.
We finished rolling all the sushi.
We did a great job.
Katrina, you did an amazing job.
Thank you. I
Really
think
proud
that
of
I
you.
really did a great job for my first sushi roll.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for some exciting videos coming up in the near future.